How to record Loom video. All right, so your first step is to simply sign into your Loom account. You can do this by clicking on signing at the top, or if you do not have an account, you could go ahead and get Loom for free by signing up. You could also install an extension onto your browser. How it works is when you click on install Chrome extension, it basically opens up in a new tab where you can simply click on get the Loom screen recorder. That way it's attached to your device or to your browser, and you could just simply have your recordings. All right, now in order to record, after you've signed into Loom, you can see your profile at the top right corner there. Go ahead and click on the record a video at the bottom left. All right, so once you've clicked on record a video, Loom would want to use your microphones and your camera. So go ahead and click on allow, and it's going to open up this window that says welcome to Loom, and you can easily record and share your video messages with your teammates. So click on next. You could see the options for recording. If you want your full screen, let's close out of here. If you want a full screen, you could select this option. If you want just the window you're currently on, if you want the current tab, that's just this tab here, you could set that up as well. And if you only want your camera to record your face, you could also get that option selected. And then you could just simply click on start recording and easily record. You have the option to change your cameras if you have more than one webcam, and your microphones if you have more than one microphone. All right, guys, just go ahead and click on start recording, and that's it.